yeah. That ain't from my head, yeah. Even if I don't net, yeah, my shooter's gonna leave you dead, yeah. Rolling off of meds, yeah. His bitch gave me head, yeah.
Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can add reverb to your song and how to slow it down. Typically this version of slow down and reverb songs is used for edits. It has a really cinematic feel to your songs. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. So right here I got a video, just a looping animation. It's like nighttime. You've probably seen these. I found these on Giphy. So right here I searched up driving, and there's a bunch of these. And now we're gonna get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is slow it down. It's pretty self-explanatory. So you want to right click on your clip and press speed and duration. Usually I slow it down to around 85. I think 80 is a little bit too slow. And then we can hear what that does. I'm using one of Nav's old songs. So let's hear the original first, actually. So if we slow it down to 85. The next thing we're going to do is put down the pitch so that it sounds a little bit lower, like his voice is a little bit deeper. So we're going to drag on pitch shifter. We're going to press edit. We're going to move it down like to -2, the semitones. And then here we go. So if we turn it off, I think it might be a little bit too much. Let's do -1. And now we're going to add reverb. So there's a couple of reverbs you can choose from. I think studio reverb is probably the best. And then let's play it. So reverb adds like space. It echoes a little bit more. Let's slow it down to 80. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a low pass filter. Basically, it makes it sound like it's underwater or underground. You don't want it to be too extreme. This is how it usually sounds like. But if you increase it, what this does is it doesn't allow anything to spike. Like, it's a very consistent sound now. And it makes it sound like nighttime type of vibes, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.